Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, April 27, 2021 on our channel. Walter Roller develops optimized fin system for CO2 deep freeze applications. Dawsongroup, Global signs historic deal with International Aid Organization for cold storage in developing countries. April 22 in Russia was held the first webinar on refrigeration components. Refrigeration equipment market in Russia 2021. Castel presented the high-pressure solenoid valves 14E. The new release of REFRIGER Programme LU-VE is now available. Bacharach refrigerant detection compliance webinars. Total exports of the air conditioning sector in 2020 announced as 4.6 billion USD. Venu Vinjamaram joins CSafe Global as Senior Vice President of Technology and Innovation. EptaService E-commerce, just a click away from renewed features for an excellent service. Arneg and Intrac partners in Bulgaria. So, first news today. Walter Roller develops optimized fin system for CO2 deep freeze applications. CO2 has become the most important natural refrigerant in refrigeration technology in the grocery market. However, CO2 alone does not make a system energy efficient. To support the energy efficient characteristics of CO2 in the system technology, Roller has now developed a fin system for evaporators that optimizes the energy intensive defrosting costs in deep freezing. The fin spacing of an evaporator has a significant influence on the resulting heat exchanger surface. A closer fin spacing means that more heat can be transferred. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Dawsongroup, Global signs historic deal with International Aid Organization for cold storage in developing countries. Following a rigorous tender process, Dawsongroup, Global has signed a deal with the world's largest humanitarian organization for use of its polar degrees store cold room units across the world. The units will primarily support the humanitarian response teams with storage of vaccinations for a range of medical conditions. The contract includes the supply of 60-40 feet polar degrees store cold rooms and another 26-20 feet cold room units. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Castel presented the high-pressure solenoid valves 14E. Castel proposes a wide range of solenoid valves for CO2 systems. Solenoid valves Series 14E are specifically designed to be suitable for CO2 transcritical and subcritical systems with a maximum working pressure up to 140 bar. The use of high-performance materials places the 14E valve as a reliable valve suitable for installation in all refrigeration systems, especially in CO2 transcritical applications. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. The new release of REFRIGER Programme LU-VE is now available. New REFRIGER v.2.2.1.366. The new release of REFRIGER Programme LU-VE is now available in the reserved area, accessible only to registered users. To access the reserved area, just follow the registration procedure. You can recover your data clicking here. Read more about LU-VE Group. Read all LU-VE Group news. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Bacharach refrigerant detection compliance webinars. Sign up for one of two upcoming live webinars where we will explore differences between safety gas detection and low-level leak detection, leak analytics for data-driven decisions, benefits of refrigerant management, ways to reduce HFC, F-gas leak behaviors, sample points, and more. EU webinar, April 29th. Reserve your spot. US webinar, May 11th. Reserve your spot. Read more the news on our website today. Eighth news today. Total exports of the air conditioning sector in 2020 announced as 4.6 billion USD. Hanover Messe Fuarsilik AS, the organizer of the leading Turkish industry exhibition, has announced its 2020 HVAC&R sector statistics. The exhibition will take place from 29 September to October 2, 2021 in Istanbul, Turkey. It will be one of the first face-to-face HVAC&R industry events following the COVID-19 pandemic. Although there is a minimal shrink in the total exports of 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic in the air conditioning sector, heating, refrigeration, air conditioning, installation, ventilation, and insulation systems and equipment, it can be concluded that the sector had a successful 2020 despite several challenges. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. Venu Vinjamaram joins CSafe Global as Senior Vice President of Technology and Innovation. CSafe Global, the innovation leader in temperature-controlled container solutions for the transport of life-enhancing pharmaceuticals, announced today that Venu Vinjamaram has officially joined the company's senior leadership team as Senior Vice President of Technology and Innovation. CSafe has been driving a digital transformation effort within the company for some time. Read more the news on our website today. 10th News Today. EptaService E-commerce, just a click away from renewed features for an excellent service. The vast range of after-sales services offered by Epta with its EptaService brand is enriched by new features, available inside its online platform, dedicated to the purchase of spare parts. The implementations integrate with a high-value added proposal, which, in addition to remote monitoring and customer service, includes retrofitting and first-class technical support for a fast, effective and widespread repair service. Read more the news on our website today. 11th News Today. Arneg and Intrac partners in Bulgaria. Life, the Bulgarian supermarket chain known for its exemplary aesthetic and layout research, recently opened a new shop in Chervenbraic. As an established customer of the Arneg Group, Life Supermarkets has once again shown itself to be in step with the times with a design choice that enhances the displayed products and at the same time communicates contemporaneity and energy through characterful architecture. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.